Did you know that flax seeds are one of the richest sources of omega-3 fatty acids in the plant kingdom? Just a tablespoon can give you a big boost in heart health. In today's video, we're going to dive into the incredible health benefits of incorporating flax seeds into your diet. From heart health to digestive wellness, and even mental clarity, we're going to explore the top 7 ways flax seeds can transform your overall health. If you're new to the world of flax seeds, don't worry, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started. And if you're already a fan of these tiny seeds, get ready to learn even more about why they're such a nutritional powerhouse. From reducing inflammation to supporting your immune system, flax seeds are packed with nutrients that can have a major impact on your health. So, let's get started and explore the amazing benefits of flax seeds. Flax seeds are an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for reducing inflammation in the body. When we eat foods high in omega-3s, we're giving our bodies the tools they need to fight off inflammation, which can lead to chronic diseases like heart disease and even cancer. But that's not all. Omega-3s also play a critical role in promoting heart health by reducing triglycerides and blood pressure. And the best part? Flax seeds are one of the richest sources of omega-3s in the plant kingdom, making them an easy addition to a heart-healthy diet. In addition to supporting heart health, omega-3s in flax seeds also have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and swelling. Whether you're an athlete or just someone who loves to stay active, flax seeds can be a game changer for reducing inflammation and promoting overall wellness. But what really sets flax seeds apart is their unique ability to reduce inflammation without causing negative side effects. Unlike some medications that can have serious side effects, flax seeds are a natural way to reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Flax seeds are also incredibly high in fiber, with just one tablespoon providing a whopping 3 grams of fiber. But what makes fiber so important for our health? For starters, fiber helps to regulate digestion and prevent constipation, which can lead to a range of health problems. High-fiber foods like flax seeds also play a critical role in supporting healthy blood sugar levels. When we eat fiber-rich foods, our bodies are better able to regulate insulin production, which can help prevent conditions like type 2 diabetes. In addition to supporting digestive health, fiber in flax seeds can also help with weight management. By keeping us feeling full and satisfied, fiber-rich foods like flax seeds can help reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks and support a healthy weight. But the benefits of flax seeds don't stop there. These tiny seeds are also packed with lignans, a type of antioxidant that's been shown to have a range of health benefits. Lignans have been shown to have potent antioxidant properties, which can help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. But that's not all. Lignans have also been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. In addition to their antioxidant properties, lignans in flax seeds have also been shown to support hormone balance. By regulating estrogen levels, lignans can help reduce the risk of conditions like breast cancer and even support healthy fertility. Flax seeds have also been shown to have a major impact in blood pressure, with regular consumption helping to reduce blood pressure in as little as 12 weeks. But how do flax seeds accomplish this? It all comes down to their unique combination of omega-3s, fiber, and lignans. By reducing inflammation, promoting heart health, and supporting healthy digestion, flax seeds are the ultimate superfood for supporting cardiovascular health. They're incredibly easy to incorporate into your diet. In addition to supporting heart health, flax seeds have also been shown to have a major impact in blood sugar levels. In one study, participants who consumed flax seeds daily saw a significant reduction in blood sugar levels, making them an excellent addition to a diabetic diet. But the benefits of flax seeds don't stop there. These tiny seeds have also been shown to have a range of benefits for skin health, from hydration to anti-aging properties. When we eat flax seeds, our bodies are able to absorb the omega-3s and antioxidants, which are then used to nourish our skin from inside out. This can lead to a range of benefits, from reduced inflammation to improved skin texture and tone. In addition to their anti-inflammatory properties, flax seeds have also been shown to have a range of benefits for mental health. From reducing anxiety to supporting cognitive function, these tiny seeds are a natural way to support our mental well-being. In one study, participants who consumed flax seeds daily saw a significant reduction in symptoms of depression, making them an excellent addition to a mental health routine. But the benefits of flax seeds don't stop there. These tiny seeds have also been shown to support cognitive function, from improving memory to reducing the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Incorporating flax seeds into your diet is an easy way to support your overall health, from heart health to mental well-being. They're incredibly easy to add to your daily routine, whether it's sprinkling them on oatmeal or adding them to a smoothie. So, what are the key takeaways from today's video? First, flax seeds are an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and promote heart health. Second, they're high in fiber, which can support healthy digestion and weight management. And finally, they're packed with lignans, which can help protect our cells from damage and support hormone balance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. If you liked this video, be sure to check out our other video on healthy eating habits. And if you have any thoughts on flax seeds, be sure to leave them in the comments below.